Right guys, balik home cooked meals na naman tayo. So for today, kasi sabi nila puro unhealthy na kinakain ko, we'll be having ginisang repolyo with kikiam actually. So masarap na kikiam to galing sa Engbitin. So my wife cooked this for me. So para naman healthy naman for a change, okay? No rice. Alright, there's no rice here. Ang technique lang naman actually guys, kung medyo hindi kayo let go ng kanin, diba? Try replacing it with something else. Unti-unti niyong damihan yung replacement. In this case, uli ang ginagamit ko as a replacement. Dahil obviously, mas healthy ito. Okay? So, where's my meter? Teka lang. Yan, I actually forgot my glucose meter. So, tingnan natin ngayon. Okay, so it's 98. Alright? So, subukan lang natin. Panalo. Okay, so see you guys after 1 hour. Okay, so it's been 1 hour. Tingnan natin kung ano na ang naging resulta. Ganito yan guys, pag tumaas masyado sugar ko, if masyado madaming kinain. Pag okay lang, then sakto lang kinain ko. Napasarap eh. Yan talaga. Okay. Sakto lang, 109. So, always eat your vegetables. Okay? Damihan yung pagkain ng vegetables. Huwag masyadong kumain ng kanin. Okay? Remember when you're eating, always look for yung macros nga, yung mga proteins, carbs, and ano ba yung isa? Nakalimutan, fats. Okay? So, ewan ko. Nakalimutan ko na. Basta, kumain tayo ng healthy. Alright? So, see you guys next time.